Start my speech in 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, in 2017 alone, there were over 1 million unemployed people who have bachelor's degree. And these people have enough knowledge and skills in order, to be hired to work in every sector of industry in our country. So the fact that a lot of these foreign companies are not hiring local peoples, it is imaginable, and we cannot accept that. And I will explain why this is not acceptable, and why we can actually have a beneficial for both party solution. Okay, just imagine, let's put ourselves in these people's shoes, the people, unemployed people with enough degrees and knowledge and skills, but they cannot work in an industry because their application is denied by these companies, just because of the fact that they are locals and not from the country that these companies are from, right? So what we mean by requiring companies to have minimum quota of local workers is to have a win-win solution for both the companies and the locals in which these companies are located. So why we need to do this? Why we need a win-win solution? Let's take a look. Last year, in 2020 alone, less than 3,000 people were employed in Freeport, in Papua. Less than 3,000 Papuans locals were employed. Ladies and gentlemen, this company, Freeport, it's not even a pure foreign company. Our nation holds a portion of shares in this company. We have 51% of shares in the company. So let's give our people the opportunity, the same amount that the shares our country hold. Yeah. So from this example alone, 51% shares our company hold it. So why do we still need to hire foreign workers to come here? Why? I mean, we can still hire them, but definitely not a lot more than the local workers that we are hiring. The second one, the reason is these companies, they use public infrastructure. They are built with the money of the locals. Yeah, the local people, we pay taxes. Surprise, right? We pay taxes. The locals pay taxes, the income taxes, property taxes. And with these taxes, we can build the infrastructure that we use today, the roads, for example. Yeah, we have roads because of the taxes that these people pay. And the fact that these companies are using this public infrastructure for free, it doesn't give them the right, to just turn down local people's to work in their company. So the win-win solution, what happens if we actually require these companies to have a minimum quota of hiring local workers? Let's take a look, ladies and gentlemen. We can, first of all, we can decrease the employment rate in our country. Yeah, especially in the region of this company is located. We have a lot of unemployed people, ladies and gentlemen, and we cannot let this to continue to happen. We cannot do that because our economy would crash if this continued to happen. The people would not generate enough income in order for the country to, to take taxes from these people. And what happens is our infrastructure would not be taken care of. The government cannot pay for infrastructure if the people do not pay taxes, which is why we need to decrease unemployment rate in our country. And this can happen by requiring these companies to hire local peoples. And from this, the increase of income, if we actually hire local peoples in these foreign companies, it can also boost happiness in our people. No, money does not buy you happiness. We're not saying money actually buy you happiness. No, but being able to know that you are not going to go hungry tomorrow, being able to know that your kids are not going to be hungry tomorrow. It's happiness. It's what we define by happiness. So, yeah, by hiring these people, by hiring local people, it can boost happiness because their income's going to increase. And not just their happiness, but also the company's happiness. How? How the company is going to benefit from this. Now, let's imagine if we were an American building a company here in Indonesia. Now, we want other Americans to come and work in our company. How much money do you think that we need to spend in order to come fly those Americans to come to our country and then housing them? And then obviously we need to pay them in dollars and not rupiah. And we all know it's not cheap. Yeah. So the benefit for this company is that they can actually decrease their spending in terms of salary, housing, transport money, along with other benefits. So why would they turn down an opportunity like that? So if this company are really that smart, they would actually hire local people in order to decrease their spending. They don't have to fly people from other foreign countries to our country. They don't have to buy the plane tickets. They don't have to build houses for this country. And which is why we believe requiring foreign companies would be beneficial to both parties. Thank you.